take care of this one. 4 times x plus 7 squared equals 11. 4 times x plus 7 squared equals 11. All right. This one is just straight ahead solve. I don't really have any tricks for it. I'm going to take the 4 onto the other side. Cool? So it's x plus 7 squared equals 11 over 4. No confusion there? All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to square root both sides. So I've got x plus 7 equals the square root of 11 over the square root of 4. But I know that the square root of 4 is what? 2. So I'm just going to write a 2 down there. That's right. Cool. Technically, I am missing one step at this point. Do you know what that step is? When you take the square root of both sides, you should always throw in a plus or minus. Do you remember that? Here's a good example. X squared equals 9. What is x? What times itself equals 9? 3. 3. Good. Bradley? Bradley says, or negative 3. Right? Because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, right? Mm-hmm. So if I take the square root of both sides, I should consider both positive and minus 3.
Okay. So you just put the symbol.
You just put that symbol in there when you're square rooting both sides.
Okay.
Same deal applies here.
Okay.
I'm going to take that 7 over to the other side. I've got x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 11 over 2. And I believe that's what they want you to put in as the answer. Actually, they screwed up. They just said negative 7 plus the square root of 2 over, or square root of 11 over 2. And I would say, well, here's the reason why they screwed up, is because they, look what they asked for. They said, solve the equation and create one possible solution to the in radical form.
So you don't need
Well, yeah. The other possible solution is you could have a minus. And if you had a minus in there, then they better not mark you wrong, right? There's 2 possible solutions in this case. One of them is with the minus. We cool?
Yeah.
So, I did both. I mean, you guys only gave me one. I did both simultaneously. Deal with that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. That was not bad.